Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted videos on your Android device. So in the first method, go to the Google Photos app, then tap on the library and look for the bin. Just open it, and if you deleted any video previously, you can open it in the bin folder, select it, and tap on the restore. Choose restore, and that's it. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the settings, slide down to the Google, then choose the backup. Check if you have videos and photos enabled. If yes, you can bring back the backup and install previously created backup on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.